Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 12th of May 2024. I'm going to be going over week 20's results for the SPY front testing strategy of the day's open versus previous day close. I didn't make a video last week due to exams. However, we will go over this week's results starting on the 6th of May. We see that we had a buy signal where we made a profit of $5,868.42. On the 7th of May, we had a buy signal again. Gave us a small loss of $872.34, which is a 0.083% loss, bringing our alpha to minus 0.855%. 8th of May 2024, we had a sell signal where we made a huge loss of $4,024.05, or 0.376%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return down to 7.157%, and our alpha further down to minus 1.241%. However, the next day we made a big profit of $5,769.72, which is a 0.536% profit, and as a cumulative, it brought our return down to up to 7.693%, but our alpha went down to minus 1.281%. Finally, on the last day, we had a loss of $2,000.14, or 0.187% loss, and then bringing our final cumulative return for the week at 7.505%, and our alpha went down to minus 1.597%. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.